I just completed a review of another demo that drove me crazy. They were doing the absolute wrong thing the entire time, and it's such an easy fix. Let's talk about what it is so you can make sure you're not doing this. Hey, it's Matt, and I help software leaders understand how to put the right sales process in place so they can drive more leads, close a ton of deals, and grow their business like they've never dreamed of before. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Hit that subscribe button down there and the little bell next to it. That way you'll be notified of all the cool stuff I come out with. Lots of awesome tips and tactics for closing more deals. And today, we're going to talk demos. So if you are doing demos in your sales process, if that's what you do, you got to make sure those demos are impactful. In fact, the demo is the number one most important part of the sales process. I've seen bad sales process with great demos that close a lot of deals. And I've seen a really strong sales process with a really terrible demo that doesn't close a lot of deals. So it's really, really important to have that demo absolutely impactful, absolutely dynamic, and doing everything that it's supposed to do so you can close a maximum amount of deals. And this one, again, I saw it. I've seen it with a lot of demos I've reviewed. It's something really bad. I want to make sure you're not doing. So what is it? Well, they get in there and they're explaining their product. And then they explain this screen and exactly how to do everything on that screen. And then here's another screen. Here's exactly how to do everything on this screen. And I realize this is not a demo. This is a training. They are training the prospect on how to use the software. And it seems natural. It seems like, yes, if they're going to buy, they have to know what it is and how it's going to help them. So let me walk them through all the different things that they'll do in each piece. And let's go step by step. And here's how you do this. And you enter your name here. And then you put in your email. And they go all the way through the entire thing. Now, one really critical thing here. One thing to remember, and I tell my clients this all the time, demos are not training. Demos are not training. Do not train your prospect. I know it feels natural, and I did this myself when I got started in software. It feels like what you should do. We should train them on our product, right? Wrong. Do not train your demos or do not train your prospects on those demos. What happens is there's going to be stuff you're talking about that they don't care about, that's going to bore them, and they're going to feel horrible about that, and they're probably going to drift off and lose attention, and then you're going to talk about something they might care about, and they've already lost attention, and so they're lost. You lost that deal because of that. Or because you have to talk about everything because you're going through step by step, there might be stuff they really care about that you're not going to touch, that you're not going to hit, or that you're going to hit for a very short amount of time, so they don't actually get to feel all of the emotions they should feel if you were to really focus on it. So a much better process. The people who are absolutely crushing it on demos, they've gone from demos being a walkthrough of training to now absolutely focusing on what the prospect cares about. What are they trying to solve? What are their big issues? What are their goals? Let's hit those things in the system and not worry about the other stuff. One of my great clients, love this guy, Paul, he came to me with a 26% close rate, 1 out of 4. That means he was missing 3 out of 4. Well, he was, training a bit too much on his demos, not ideal. I walked him through the right process. We actually put in a couple cool little tactics too. And from that point, from 26%, he implemented this, made things take off, started to do great demos. And now he's at 87% on his close rate. 87% close rate. It's so incredible. It's so awesome. That's actually better than my close rate. So I'm a little jealous. But nonetheless, 87%, almost 9 out of 10 people he talks to sign up for his product. So absolutely make sure your demos are amazing. And by the way, if you want those demos to be incredible, definitely get my course, Software Demo Secrets. Software Demo Secrets is the course I put together to share all the secrets that the best sellers are using, but not telling anybody else. They're keeping it secret. I didn't want that to happen. I wanted to share those secrets with you. I've got a link down below. Hit that link, and you'll be able to get Software Demo Secrets. It's my course where I share with you exactly how to run a demo, exactly the process that my clients are using to get close rates like 87%, exactly how to tell stories within your demo, exactly what to share within your demo. All of these pieces that you need to know about a demo, I put into one simple course that you can get through in just a couple hours. Definitely hit this up. You're going to love it. It's going to take off for you. Now, if you have any comments or thoughts, definitely hit that down below. Hit the like button as well. That shows me this is good and helpful for you. Definitely. I can't wait for you to take off with this. Stop training, start demoing, focus on the prospect. See you next time.